Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know how Lou has done this, but recently I reviewed the Bay State Opals website and picked out a rub parcel to get sent through to me. And it took 3 business days and it's here. Literally 1 weekend and a couple of weekdays, and from all the way over in the US it arrived to me in Australia, and I have never had post from the USA come that quickly. I think it was shipped by UPS, so maybe some Americans know that UPS is the best way to go, because I've tried everyone else and this is like lightning. They must have invented teleportation for him. But anyway, we've got the parcel here and I've just sliced the end off. And let's have a look. Clearly the Opal will be in this nice little bag. It's like a sunglasses bag. I'll open that in a minute after this card. So it's been a long time since I received a card, and this is a pretty nice one. The contents of which had a little bit of information, and I might just go through that a bit while we unbox the rest. So it just says, each Opal rub has been carefully prepared to remove sand and inclusions, leaving only the precious Opal and backing, which is good. So you're not paying for the excess potch and sand, which is ideal for the rubs, and you can also see what you're getting, which is the added bonus. And he's also said that he's included a free keychain flashlight, which is probably in this one just here, but here we go, nice business card. It's actually a really nice business card. They got a quite nice. You can't quite see it on camera, but it's all glittery and yeah, bit fancy, clever. QR codes. We're all used to QR codes these days. I don't know about other countries, but QR codes in Australia have been huge. And a lens cleaner. Well, I'll use that on the camera sometime. It is getting a bit dusty, so try that later on. Little key light. But the main event. So the rubs will be in this little tin here. 8.19 carats. This was parcel number 1 on the website. It's all gone now, but you can always refer back to my previous video if you want to see what it was like and what the others were like. There's only a couple left in the end. A few sold out pretty quickly after releasing the video. So we'll just have a look here. Now there was a couple that I was a bit scared of. This is that shield shaped one. And it looks, this is all dry by the way, and it looks amazing already. We might get the scales out and weigh a couple of these stones actually. Don't mind all the cerium oxide splattered across the top. So, nice shield looking one. Yeah, 1.2 carats, that won't lose much, so we'll end up with a stone a bit over a carat, and it looks pretty nice. This is that long pill shaped one. We'll zoom back in. So even dry, it does look good. I think this one I was worried about the potch breaking, but I think I might be wrong on that one. That one looks like it's not gone all the way through, and it's pretty solid, though there is a bit of a chip looking feature over here, though that could just be, no, that's definitely a little bit of a chip. So this corner might be in a bit of trouble. Now that's a 3 carat stone, which means we've got a couple more little ones. This I thought looked amazing, and it looks exactly as he had it pictured on his site. Dry once again, so quite foggy. Amazing color, and that'll be under a carat. Yep, so 0.86. Yeah, this one's pretty nice, pretty well shaped, even slightly domed already. No issues with the stone integrity. We'll look at all of these wet at the end, and that is 1.5, just under 1.5 carats. And then this is that crystal opal. It looks really nice on camera. So very clean, very clear. He's really gotten rid of almost all the little sand spots. There's one just up the top here, but that's about it. That could be a great stone, or I could doublet it. I think it's a little bit too good for a doublet, and it will end up cutting a bit over half a carat. And then the final stone looks incredible. That is amazing for something that's still very, very much unfinished and very cloudy. So that is going to actually probably make back the parcel value on its own. And it's only just under a carat. By the time I cut and shape it, it'll probably be about 0.8. Though I might not lose much on this one. I might keep the shape minus the sharp corners. I'll probably round those off. So maybe it'll still be a 0.9 carat. Now we'll give these all a quick little wet and see what they look like. Okay, a quick drop of water, and you can see here this is going to be an absolute killer stone, that one. I'm pretty sure this was one that I was a little bit concerned about because I could see a bit of the potch coming through to the face, but it's actually incredibly clean. They all are. The crystals are very good. This one I'm still a little bit concerned because it's definitely, you can't see it so well now, but there's definitely some crack looking features on the edge and behind it up in this top corner, but the best color's down here, so even if I have to sacrifice that and cut that down a little bit, that's not too bad. This one's not showing a lot. It's a bit of a milky white body toned stone with not a lot of color. But really, this parcel, the value, I'll put up the original price of it, but the value in this one will mainly be in these 3 stones here. So this teardrop one that's already pretty much fully shaped for us, this kite shaped one, and then this one here is really leaping out. That's what you want to see when you're getting an opal rub. It actually didn't even look this good on Lou's listing on the website, so I'm pleasantly surprised with this one. Once it's polished up and finished, it'll be a bit less directional. And we'll just get rid of a couple of these sand spots. They seem superficial at best. Carving, we'll be able to get that beautiful color out of it for sure. And this one's pretty nice as well. Hopefully we can keep that one intact, but I will test. I don't like having cracks in any stone, so I will test this section over here out pretty hard before deciding on keeping it in this one piece. Possibly just chopping off the end a little bit. So yeah, great parcel of rubs. Can make some nice little ring stones. Small stones like this are also really good for earrings. But sometimes with earrings, the difficult part is getting a pairing. And in this case, we've got no pairs. So nice little ring stone in this one. This one might be slightly too small. It might have to be a companion stone. Same with this one over here. Probably a bit of a companion stone. This one's definitely more than big enough to be a ring stone. And then this one here, it's not a dud, but it's definitely the weakest of the bunch. So that's what we ended up with. We will finish all of these at some point in the channel. Probably going to be able to do more than 1 stone per video because they're rubs. It's already half the hard work's been done for us. And we'll end up with some nice finished stones from this. I am certain of it. Especially this, and this one here. We'll try to salvage something out of the big one. Hopefully the whole thing. If that stays together, we'll be really flying. I'd say that this is a very decent rub parcel. Lou's done really well. I hope he sells a lot more rub parcels. He can do various shapes and sizes and yeah, give people a good bit of variety. Though I think everything he's been doing at the moment is lightning ridge. Hopefully he branches out into some other materials. I can probably tee him up with some good suppliers there. So hopefully much more of this to come in the future. I'm looking forward to it, and I'm really looking forward to working on these stones as soon as I possibly can. Probably tonight. See you guys in the next video where we've got a lot of carving ahead for us.